Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This clean 2008 Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle CVO Ultra Classic with 44,369 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a Cobra slip-on muffler, cylinder head bolt bridges, and a Willie G Skull radio faceplate. This factory custom looks great and is ready for the road. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Ultra Classic provides an impressive 115 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM. It has a seat height of 28.7 inches and a dry weight of 864 pounds, and comes equipped from the factory with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, power locking luggage, and a security system with a proximity key fob. Finished in a distinctive Canyon copper and Stardust silver paint set, it looks as good as it goes. Our technician did note some light weeping from the shift shaft seal, rear rocker box gasket, and the stator plug. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.